Assalamualaikum. Good morning. How are you all, reception 2? I hope you're all fine. It's me, Kulsum from CPS National School. Students, today we are going to learn about singular and plural. टीचर आज आपको बताएंगी सिंगुलर क्या होते हैं और प्लूरल क्या होते हैं. Now let's start. This is singular. This is singular. Repeat with me. Singular. Singular means when you have one thing, it's called singular. And this is plural. This is plural. When you have two things, it's called plural. It's called plural. Let's see how many things teacher have singular and plural. Let's start. This is cat. This is cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Repeat with me. Cat. Act. Cat. This is singular. And these are cats. These are cats. 1, 2. Act. Cats. These are plural. Oh, the next thing is very interesting. This is gun. This is gun. Gun. This is singular. These are guns. These are guns. Repeat with me. Guns. Guns. Oh my God. This is rat. This is rat. And this is the singular. Repeat with me. Act. Rat. Act. Rat. And these are rats. These are rats. Repeat with me. Act. Rats. These are plural. तो आज टीचर ने आपको सिखाया सिंगुलर क्या होते हैं और प्लूरल क्या होते हैं. Students, hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.